Introduction to Expressions Tutorials and Revision Guides. In this set of math tutorials we cover expressions in detail with clear guides, expressions formulas and working examples. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting expressions calculators. We also provide online expressions calculators, which allow you to calculate specific expressions formula in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your expressions homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children expressions. This chapter is about algebraic expressions, an extension of the arithmetic expressions concept explained in the very first chapter of this course. The first tutorial discusses general things like the definition of algebraic expressions and variables, how to calculate the value of algebraic fractions when the values of its variables are known, as well as how to identify and order the terms of algebraic expressions. In addition, the basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division involving the terms of algebraic expressions are explained through examples, including the raising in power, which in fact is a topic that is widely discussed in the other tutorials of this chapter. The second tutorial focuses on how to expand brackets in algebraic expressions. It extends from expanding brackets when no operations are involved, to the same procedure when a number multiplies a bracket, when a bracket divides a number, as well as when two or more brackets multiply with each other. The third tutorial introduces 8 algebraic identities that are commonly used to simplify or make operations when dealing with algebraic expressions. First, the concept of binomial is briefly explained, followed by the 8 algebraic identities including the proof and various solved examples. Then, these algebraic identities are considered when they're combined in the same expression. This is to highlight their importance in simplifying long and complex algebraic expressions. The fourth tutorial focuses on the inverse of expanding, i.e., factorization. First, the definition of expanding is given, then this concept is illustrated through the 8 algebraic identities of the previous tutorial. In addition, the definition of quadratics and methods of factorizing them are explained extensively in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to expressions. To start this chapter, please watch the first tutorial 6.1, Introduction to the Meaning of Expressions. Simplifying expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.